Short overview video introduce and/or buyer's reviews of Suyncll 2300 PSI electric powered washer with garden hose. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This pressure washer built-in powerful 1800 watt motor to generate up 2300 psi to powerful water pressure and max 1.7 GPM cleaning power. The electric pressure washer is the ideal way to help with a variety of uses around the house: siding, pools, decks, patios, driveways, RVs, garden furniture, pavers, bricks and more. It can easily get rid of dirt, gunk, oil, rust that a regular pressure washer simply can't handle. 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap, tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. 0, areas that are high and hard to reach, clean crevices in sidewalks or driveways. 15, use on concrete, brick, and other hard surfaces with stubborn stains. 25, use on painted surfaces, wood siding, fences and lawn mowers. 40 degree, use on windows and screens. Soap, used to spray soaps and detergents. Pressure washer built with multiple safety protections, such as IPX5 waterproof case, gun safety lock, plug with GFCI protection, leakage-proof switch. A well-designed ground fault circuit interrupter electric cord with inline GFCI provides you a security. Use on all exterior outlets for added security. Don't need gasoline and no more worries about gas storage ran out. Know the noise and fumes that gasoline power washers electric powered generate, and know to generate that pollution, as this machine is perfectly capable of getting the job done. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.